For all, would like to pay my high respect to Mr. Sanachun. I got cookies and Paul, my lecturer at Ivy School, all my beloved friend here. Got to know that in my group for member. My name is Kim Said. Her name is Okchi, her name is Jantu, her name is Limay. We study English at Ivy School. Today we are very honored and excited to be here and talk a special topic. Our topic is the important of water. Here are some reasons why water is important. 1. Drinking water. Our body needs water to function properly. In drinking enough water every day helps us stay healthy and active. Number 2. Plant need water. Plant also need water to grow and drink. We use water to make their own food and stay strong. Number 3. Washing hand and body. Water is important for cleaning our hand and body to keep us clean, prevent sickness. Number 4. Cooking and cleaning. We use water to cook our food and clean our dishes and home. Number 5. Fun and recreation. Water can also be used for fun, like swimming, playing in the sprinkler, or going to the beach. Number 6. Helping the environment. Water is important for the environment, like keeping rivers, lakes, and oceans clean for animals and plants to live. The last one, number 7. Staying hydrated. Drinking water when we thirsty or playing outside help our body stay hydrated and energy. Thank you for listening and watching. Goodbye.